Hey everybody, it's Steve Nahuson and welcome back. So I just wanted to give you a bit of an update. We're now at the 5-month mark of this renovation, but things are starting to come along pretty well and we're actually pushing like crazy to have this thing wrapped up in another 3 weeks. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do it, but I tell you what, we are working our tails off to make that happen. The reason why 3 weeks is that Jenny and I are actually heading overseas to see the birth of our little grandson in Belgium. So that's something that really can't be delayed. So we're really working to that deadline. So let me just show you around the place. We've now painted a lot of the house. So all the ceilings are painted. Most of the walls are painted as well. The kitchen's in. That's been in for a while now and it's looking fantastic. What is new though is this floor. Now I absolutely love it. It is an oak floor. It's a hybrid flooring product, incredibly resilient, and it looks fantastic too. So the place is still pretty messy, but bit by bit we are getting there. So let me just take you through the main bedroom. Not a massive amount to see here, but our barn door is on for the ensuite, and the ensuite is fitted off with beautiful floor to ceiling tiles there in the shower. Toilet is going there, the vanity is going there. So I've got the downlights in now. Second bedroom, same story, it's been painted, the lights are in, the power points are all fitted off. The laundry is pretty much sort of done. It's been done for a while. And the powder room, the toilet has now been fitted, the vanity has been fitted, it's been painted, lights have gone in, laundry is looking pretty good. The main bathroom, looking very nice as well. Same beautiful tiles that we've got in the ensuite. Some of the plumbing now has gone in. We've got a gorgeous looking chocolate feature wall at the end of the bathroom, of course, where the bathtub is going to sit. Probably in about a week or so's time, the vanity is going to be installed, as is the shower cabinet, and that's going to make this room look really finished. Third bedroom, looking pretty good. The ceilings are painted. Walls are still not painted in here yet, but that won't take too long. So what's remaining now is the remainder of the electrical fit off. Trying to get that finished by the end of this week. I don't know if we're going to make it or not because we still got to install the ceiling fans, got to fit off all the light switches, and there's still a couple of lights and GPOs to be installed as well. Bit more painting to do. Outside is actually pretty well painted now. It'll then really be getting stuck into the landscaping and finishing off the outside of the place. Oh, and that's one more thing I've actually forgot to mention, that our little shed out the back, still not a lot has happened to it, but it will get a repaint as well. So that will also look sensational. And we've also got a pergola on out the back now too, which looks pretty nice. So we're getting there. Bit of work to get done, and nothing like a deadline to really make you spend some long days on site pushing out the work. So Steve Nahuson at the Maroochydore renovation project, signing off.